everybody, hello. I'm back today to show you this really lovely little, it's a trifold I guess you could call it, or a small folio. It closes with string and button like so. It says friendship on the front, and this here is a Tim Holtz Colorize die, and I've never used it in these colours before, but I really like it. It's lovely. And the background actually is a inky background that I made using watercolour paper and then scanned it so I could use it for this project. It's on black card, so all the margins are black, and then it opens up like that and like that. Isn't that lovely? So pretty. So down here we've got some more of that paper and some more of the colorized dye. We've got 3 little tags in here, and they're all Timmy little peeps, little children, with stamping and such like bits of tickets and what have you on them, with bits of string holding them at the top. They just pop down the side there, like so. On this side, more of that paper and more of the Colorize, and this time we've got a chap, and all of this is Timmy stuff in behind him, stamps and tickets and little bits of ephemera, etc. So that's him. He just goes there, bit of journaling on the back. And here in the centre we've got this pocket with a bit more of the colorized dye on it, and it's just a notebook, and it just tucks into there. It's just got quite a bit of paper actually in it, so that's ostensibly what this is, I guess, a notebook holder, tied together at the top. That folds in, bit more Colorize on there, and that folds in, and the back is plain, but you can see that gorgeous inky paper. It's lovely. And it just ties up, and that's that. As quick and easy as that. So there we are. Thanks for watching. Bye.